Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make a mini projector. So let's get started. Now we have to take a box like this. I have to take a box like this, okay, which is empty. Okay, and now what we have to do is make a hole here like this. I will open and show you. Okay, so we have to make a hole like this. Okay, in finishing. And now final step is after taking a box, and then the second step is cut it in a proper shape. Okay, and then we have to take a bulb. This is a bulb, guys. You are not going to believe, but this is a bulb. So I will tell you the whole story. That first you have to take a bulb, then remove this upper part and that inside part very carefully. Okay. And then after removing, take a bottle cap and take this part also, and then pour some pure canned water, RO canned water. The water must be pure, otherwise no use. We are not going to we cannot see the image very clearly. Okay. So now what we have to do is you have to take this box and you have to place this bulb here. So I will place as you can see here. Yes. So I have placed this box here. Bulb, sorry. So now what I am going to do is I am going to take a Febiquick to open it. Just I am going to open. Bulb fallen because it does not stick properly. Now I am going to place the drop it here. Okay. So now another drop here. Okay, so I have stripped it. Okay. And it is stripped. For more precautions, I am going to use a tape. Which tape you will tell? You can use an electric tape, a color tape, or a transparent tape. Okay. So now I have transparent tape. Okay. So I am using transparent tape. Okay. So guys, I have added some transparent tape here, and my project failed. And my projector is ready. The main last thing is we have to make a hole here also. Okay. And now what I am going to do is I am going to take a speaker. So guys, I have a speaker which is Bluetooth speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker. We need this speaker for the loud voice. Okay. So now I'm going to take this speaker and I'm going to place it here. Okay. I'm going to keep it here, as you can see. And just for some air passing. I'm going to make some hole on this upper part of the plant. So guys, I make some hole here, as you can see. And now when I place this upper part of the box here, the voice will come up from here, this hole. So I will show you now how it works. Guys, this is the night, and here is my projector. Okay. And as you can see here, I will show you. Here it is presenting, but due to my phone's camera's flashlight, it is not able to recognize, but I can see from here. Okay, see there. Okay, so now I'm going to play the video, but wait, first I'm going to off the flashlight. So with the magic I'm going to off it. I have off my flashlight and I hope you are able to see the screen. So now I will play the video. So guys, my video has been played, and as you can see here, this is the projector. Okay,
So this is my table fan.
this is the image. See this is my hand. Okay,
I will tell you that how I made it. Okay. So first I will tell you
as
that
you can see,
I used the
this is
popular,
projector
you can see
image.
this battery,
Okay,
motor,
so I will
and the
adjust.
battery connector. Okay.
So guys, as you can see, I am projecting.
So at first I did is
Screen.
take a motor and then took
As
another
you can see,
battery connector which I had
guys, my
spare part
screen is
and a battery.
projected.
Okay.
But it is not
And
that
spare
much
propellers.
clear than the real
Okay.
projectors.
And as you
But
can see,
guys, this
is a-
is the project. Remember that this is the project. Okay.
and it
I will
also
show
works
you.
using electricity.
See.
Okay. So I will show you further.
Okay.
Okay. These are two
So I am
propellers
keeping up
which are
there again.
attached
Okay.
with that
So
motor.
I will show
And
you
that
what
motor
is happening
runs
inside.
on 9 volt,
So
10 volt.
This is the
Okay,
thing.
9
and
to
this
10
is
volt
I'm
it
playing
runs
video.
very nicely.
Here it is coming.
But if you
This is
give
the speaker.
extra power,
This is the speaker
Okay.
here.
then
kept
it will shake.
And it is projecting.
Okay,
Again I will close it.
so you have to give maximum 9 voltage.
So guys, I have closed it, and as you can see,
9 volt
there is a
battery,
screen
it's
weight.
okay. Now
My
I will
camera
show
is
you
not
how
capturing
it
it.
runs using electricity. Okay,
Capture. Yes. So as you can see,
now
here
I
it
will
is
show you.
projecting
So this is
on
an
the
adapter.
wall. See, this is the wall.
Okay, I will show
So
you.
this is the wall.
This is an
On the
adapter.
light.
And now I connected battery connector which I connected to that
I will show you.
9 volt battery connector. Okay.
Okay. This is been projected by this projector.
And then we have
So,
to attach it.
if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. I will show you some cinematic shots. So guys, please follow my new channel which is of my brothers, and also follow my Facebook page.